morning run and I saw a lot of posts this morning. Just wanted to get ahead of it a little bit. There's a Federal Reserve Bank meeting or announcement today. They're going to cut 25 basis points. I want to just clarify. Fed funds target rate is not your mortgage rate. Pay attention. Everybody's going to jump out there today and the headline's going to say Fed cuts interest rates. Fed funds rate is an overnight lending rate between banks and the Federal Reserve Bank. What we want to listen, we want to focus on, and why do I know? I traded bonds for 20 years. I've been doing real estate for 10. So you do the math. And bond traders don't care if bond prices go up or down. They're trading options and they just want to see movement or not movement, depending on their strategy. But anyway, Fed funds is an overnight lending rate between banks and the Federal Reserve window. Chairman Powell is the chairman, one out of a group of 12 that sit on the board. So it's not him, but that's a headline out there today. Feds cuts rates. That does not necessarily mean that your 30-year mortgage rate is going to go down. In fact, it's all expected future value. I would expect, nobody knows. Nobody knows what interest rates are going to do. It's more looking at the market. What's the market going to think? And I would bet that bond yields go up today. But again, nobody knows. And, so anyway, I just wanted to clarify. Make sure you know. Make sure you understand. If you don't understand, call me, 203-733-5877. Fed funds rate is an overnight lending rate. Your mortgage is based off the 10-year Treasury plus some spread, plus a bunch of other mortgage-backed securities and things, and market expectations. There's a lot in between those two. It's an overnight lending rate versus a 30-year lending rate. There's a risk premium on that 30 years. So I just want to clarify that. If your realtor, your agent, your broker is telling you the Fed cut rates, so you should buy because mortgage rates are low. And, there's a lot that happened. Mortgage rates have been lower this week, 6%. Some lenders are offering under 6%, 5%, but there's a cost to that. So remember, it's not always about the rate, but what is the cost to get that loan? So anyway, just want to touch base real quick. Fed funds rate is not your mortgage rate. Clear as day. If you have any questions, give me a call, 203-733-5877. Happy to help, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.